Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we've got my Norlii box, so let's get into this and check out some Scandinavian design. This is our Norlii box. It is Scandinavian home decor. It is somewhere between clean lines and that organic, cozy feel of hygge that the Norlii Scandinavian decor offers. We usually have 3 to 5 products in here. This box is sent to us for review, but because we review it, we have Catherine15, which will get you $15 off your first box. Let's get into it. When we open it up, it says, "Welcome to your little piece of Scandinavia." And then we have our paperwork sitting right on top. Fika. A delightful fika experience awaits. I don't know what that means. The paperwork says, "Embark on a journey of Scandinavian charm and everyday indulgence with your new fika-themed surprises." I have 2. I suspect I am missing something. This Norlii box embodies the Scandinavian lifestyle that separates functionality. Yes, this says that I'm going to have 4 hammam napkins from Sagaform. The Ella hammam napkin is woven from organic cotton and embellished with Sagaform's iconic stripes. Inspired by nature's hues, these napkins bring a touch of sophistication to your coffee breaks and dinner gatherings, enhancing every moment with elegance. If this was a box you pay for, I'm sure you could contact them. They would send them immediately out to you. I have dealt with Norlii in the past, and they are very responsive. What I do have is this sweet bowl. How stinking cute is that? So springy and purple. At the back it says Bayon Bowl Florian. Small bowl from Bayon by Sagaform. Discover Florian, the charming lilac-hued bowl that captures attention with its delicate flower-shaped design. Small bowls like this are just lifesavers, always ready to bring that extra touch to your table. Extra raspberries, little snacks, the candlesticks from your birthday cake. Tea bag holder, dipping sauces, the list goes on. Florian's lilac color will infuse your summer gatherings with a refreshing vibrancy. More bowls are available in the store. Yeah, I can imagine a million uses for this. I mean, you could put ketchup or mayonnaise in it. You could absolutely do anything with it. You know what would look cute is with like a little candle in it. That would be adorable. The other product that I have is a cake plate, and it looks glorious. It's by Sagaform. Let's get it out. It is always amazing to me that they get these glass products to us with no issues. So pretty. Look at the amazing design of this. I love this. This is going to be so perfect for summer. What does it say? The versatility of the cake stand from Sagaform in Sweden makes it your new favorite. It's not just for showcasing decadent cakes and delicate cookies for your fika, but also for serving finger foods, vibrant fruits, or even a cheese board. Its beige hue with a glossy finish and Sagaform's signature stripe detail exudes elegance, adding a touch of extravagance to your table. Made from durable stoneware, this stand seamlessly combines style with functionality, making it a must-have for every occasion. This is stunning. I will use the heck out of this summer. That's the stripes it was talking about. That is like, I love the look of this. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love that. Norlii comes out every 2 months. You will have Posh products. I love that it's full-size decor. It is gorgeous. This month we received this bowl, this cake stand, which is amazing. And we would have also had 4 cotton organic napkins. They just got missed in my box. I will let them know. I know they have great customer service. I am sure if you subscribe to the box and it was missed, they would send it immediately over to you. I would not let that, if I thought that I liked these products and this was a box for me, I wouldn't let that hold me back at all. I've dealt with them over there and they are always fantastic. So I will put the information down below along with Catherine15 and the link that will get you $15 off your first box. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here to check out this. I just love the Scandinavian decor. It's such clean lines, and yet something about it is so gorgeous and warm. I love it. Thanks again. I will see you really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care, guys.